Today, Rhode Island introduced a new task force dedicated to sexual assault.
The goal is to improve the tracking of cases, speed up the response rate, and better victim treatment, especially on college campuses.
From the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Eyewitness News reporter Brian Yacono is at the State House.
Here inside the State House, Governor Raimondo acknowledged the hard work already being done to address sexual assault, but she said now is the time for everyone, from law enforcement to college campuses, to recommit themselves to this issue.
Sitting quietly, surrounded by the state's top officials, Katie Byron is a voice for students.
Student survivors are balancing their healing with their coursework, their extracurricular commitments, their employment, and their campus social dynamics.
She's inside the State House helping to launch Sexual Assault Awareness Month with a renewed focus to end assaults on campus.
We need to ensure that our colleges and universities have the tools and resources they need to support survivors in their healing and in their education.
According to Day One, more than 90% of sexual assaults on college campuses go unreported. Colonel Hugh Clements says more can be done and is now tripling the number of investigators working these cases in Providence.
Through training, we aim to guide our officers in the field from the very first moment that we have contact with a victim.
And through a new task force made of prosecutors, Day One advocates, higher ed, and medical professionals, Governor Raimondo says it's time for everyone to realize this is a personal issue.
We have to imagine that, ask that question, and work with the same urgency as we would if it were our kids who were the victim of this.
The media event kicking off Sexual Assault Awareness Month lasted about 30 minutes, and in that time, according to Day One, 15 people in the United States were sexually assaulted. Inside the State House with the Providence Mobile Newsroom, Brian Yacono, Eyewitness News.